Good afternoon, dear children. Today we will see grammar part, and in that grammar part our lesson number 16, that is kinds of adverbs. Okay, we have learned in the previous classes, we have learned the adverbs. Today we will see the types of kinds of adverbs. See, in the parts of speech, the adverb is there. Noun, pronoun, like this, verb, adverb, adjectives. In this way, 8 parts of speeches are there. So in that, one is adverb. Okay, so that we are going to be learned today. What is an adverb? First of all, we'll see the definition of adverb. What is adverb? An adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. Something more about a verb. Verb means what? We have learned. Verb means action word. Tells something, that is an action word. Okay, so adverb. Adding something in the verb, giving more explanation, more detail about the verb is called adverb. We are adding something in the verb, so we are saying adverb. Okay, so an adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. For example, see, I have given quickly, suddenly, yesterday, outside, abroad, twice, always, therefore, etc. These are many adverbs are there. Understand? So these are called tell something about verb, giving something detail more about verb. See, now quickly, if you will see quickly, she came quickly. Came, C-A-M-E, came. Came is verb. She came. How she came? She came quickly. She sings sweetly. Sings, S-I-N-G, sings. Sing is a verb. Telling about sings. How she sings? She sings sweetly. Okay, so in this way, when we are adding something, meaning in the verb is called an adverb. Okay, now see here I have given. And an adverb never describe a noun or a pronoun. Never describes noun or pronoun. Okay, noun or pronoun. Noun, N-O-U-N, noun. Noun or pronoun. Never describe. It describes only verb. Okay. Now, here the example I give. He walks slowly. He walks slowly. See here, walks, verb. Okay, so it describing about verb. Slowly. वो आ कैसे रहा है? धीरे धीरे आ रहा है. He walks. So this is adverb telling about verb that he walks slowly. See number 1. Number 2. Do you work quite regularly? Quite. Understand? Regularly. Quite. Work. तुम हमेशा. Work. Telling about verb. This is a verb in this sentence. Work. Okay. So quite. So this is an adverb. Okay, then today we will learn the kinds of adverbs. There are, in our textbook, there are 6 kinds of adverbs they have given. So we will learn that. There are 6 kinds of adverbs. Which are the first one? Adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency, adverb of purpose, adverbs of degrees. So these 6 we will learn in a lesson. So we will see one by one, that is adverb of manner and then the rest. Second one we'll see. The second one is adverb of manner. Now we are seeing the types of adverbs. That is, the first one is here the adverbs of types of manner. That is adverb of manner. Now we'll see the types of adverbs. First one is adverb of manner. The adverbs answering the question how, in which way, that is a manner. Manner means in which way. Okay, the adverbs answering the question how are called the adverbs of manners. Okay, for example, he works regularly. What is the definition of adverb? As I said that adverbs adding something to the verb. So, which is verb here? Here is a verb, is a verb here. Okay, the injured is a here. He runs is the here verb. So, telling something. How he works? He works regularly. Okay, how? Answer is how. How he works? He works regularly. He was injured badly. How he was injured? How badly. This is a adverb. B-A-D-L-Y. Badly. She runs slowly. How she runs? Slowly. So, in this way, when the adverbs answering the question how are called the adverbs of manner. We'll go to the next is adverb of time. When it shows the time, that is adverb of time. Okay, a word which answers the question when. When it is, when he has come, yesterday, before, soon, early, last year, that is when. Okay, when the answer is getting when, that is adverb of time. A word which answers the question when is called an adverb of time. For example, the guest reached today, which is verb here, reached. Okay, so when he reached? Today. When he reached? When. Okay, the guest reached today. Okay, the next is the train will come soon. When will train come? Soon. So, this is soon. Okay, adverb of time. The more he prays to God daily. When he prays daily. So, in this way, the adverb of time in this sentence says, answer the question where time is. When answer the question when is called an adverb of time, and this word shows the when an action is done. So, the daily, today, soon, a week, these are the adverbs of time. Now, the next is we will see the adverb of places and adverb of frequency. We'll see the third one. What is the third one? Adverb of place. Adverb of place, a word which answer the question where. Place. Okay. Which word which answer the question where is called an adverb of place. Okay. For example, I live here. Which is verb here? Live. Which is verb in this sentence? Ran. So, waiting. Telling something about verb. So, I live here. Where you live? The question is where you live? I live here. Here is a adverb. Okay. The boys ran forward. Boys ran forward. So, ran. Where boys ran? Forward. Where? The word which answer the question where is called an adverb of place. Okay. He is waiting inside. Where he is waiting? He is waiting inside. Okay. We see the next is adverb of number, or we can say the adverb of frequency. A word that shows how often. A word that shows how often. कितनी बार, कितने समय पर. A word that shows how often an action is done. कितनी बार, how often. Okay, is called an adverb of frequency. Or we can say the adverb of number. One time, two time, often, almost. Okay, in this way, the adverb of number. So, for example, I had been there once. मैं वहाँ एक बार गई थी. Frequency कितनी है? एक बार. So that is the frequency. I had been there once. She will never go there. She will never go. What is the frequency? She will never go there. And the last one is he goes for a walk twice a day. कितनी बार जाता है वॉकिंग के लिए? Twice a day. 2 बार. Frequency कितनी है उसकी? 2 times. So in this way, see, he goes for a twice a day. So this is called the adverb of number or adverb of frequency. We'll go to next. Now the next is adverbs of purpose. An adverb that explains the reason. Purpose means reason. Okay, an adverb that explains the reason of something is called an adverbs of purpose. Okay, adverb of purpose. I repeat, an adverb that explains the reason, purpose, that of something. किसी का पर्पस यदि बताता है इज कॉल्ड एन एडवर्ब ऑफ पर्पस. एग्जाम्पल, रीमा इज इल एंड देयरफॉर शी कैन नॉट कम टू स्कूल. व्हाट इज द रीजन शी कैन नॉट कम टू स्कूल? बिकॉज शी इज इल. Therefore she cannot come to school. So this is therefore is the adverb of purpose. Now the second is the bell rang, so all the students left the library. What is the reason they left the library? Bell rang. Verb. So this so is a adverb. So all the students left the library. This is adverb of purpose. The next is, that is the last one, adverb of degree. At what extent? Okay now. So adverbs that tells us to what extent or degree things have occurred. तो कितना चिल्लाते हो, कितना शोर मचाते हो. At what extent? That is called the extent or degree. Okay, adverbs that tells us to what extent or degree things have occurred are called adverbs of degree. For example, see here, I have almost finished my work. Almost, खत्म ही होने को आ गया. At what extent? बस खत्म ही होने को आ गया. Almost is a adverb, that is adverb of degree. You are extremely annoying. Extremely annoying. Extremely, बहुत ही ज़्यादा. That degree. Okay, so these adverbs are called adverbs of degree. I hope, dear children, what we have learned in this, we have learned adverb of what is an adverb. Then we have learned the types of adverbs. The first one, the adverbs of manner, adverbs of time. We have learned the adverb of places, adverbs of frequency. Then we have learned the adverbs of purpose, and last one we have learned the adverbs of degree. I hope, dear children, you might have understood this lesson. Solve in the textbook and try to do that. Thank you.